This is not a time to force memories. It is a time to simply acknowledge how long your heart has endured on its own. Today, we begin the journey of healing slowly and safely. We often say, time heals all wounds, but unhealed memories don't just vanish. They quietly drain our energy. If you feel unexplained heaviness or fear, it's not weakness. It's a signal that your heart needs healing. Some memories are so painful they become forgotten. This was your heart's way of surviving. You may have blown an emotional fuse as a child to stop the pain. Though the memory is faded, the emotion remains, affecting your life today. You don't have to walk this path alone. The key is a safe pace. Don't force it. Just open your heart a tiny bit. True healing happens when we invite Jesus into those memories. He doesn't judge. He was there then, and he is here now. We cannot heal ourselves, but God can. Today, you only need to do one thing. Decide to stop running and surrender it all to him. I believe that God is healing my painful past. May your true recovery begin today.